Welcome to 1021 Trail Creek Drive, located in Eagle Crest on the ridge side. This home sits on the most western of the roads in the neighborhood, meaning that it backs up to the community property that then goes to BLM, that goes west for a very long ways and all the way up to the top of Klein Butte. So you can walk right out the back of this property onto the BLM, and endless square miles and acres of that public land can be used for recreation on a mountain bike, e-bike. A lot of people ride horses out there as well. And there is the Buckhorn Trail system down below with motorcycles. They don't ride close to here, so there's no sound issues. But you can very close by get on great horse trails, walking trails, mountain bike, and motorcycle trails. You can also recreate for hunting and different things like that out on that BLM property if somebody chooses to. It's not restricted in that manner. Another view of this paver covered front deck. It's always awesome to have pavers in inclement weather. They aren't slick like concrete. When you run a snow shovel across them, they don't scrape and get marred in their finish. Standing in the foyer, looking at these beautiful laminate floors in excellent condition. They're in all the high traffic areas. There's carpet in the bedrooms and in the dens. This is, again, officially a 2-bedroom house, but really 3-bedroom because there's 2 dens. Either of them could have a simple closet and be classified as a full bedroom. This one has some of the built-in speakers. There's a sound system throughout with speakers in multiple locations with controls there. This room's being utilized now as a TV room. Works really well like that. And it's a good sized den. Does have a fire escapable window. Again, so if there was a closet in this room, it'd easily be a 3rd bedroom. The great room area is open with a flat counter, big granite counter that would be awesome for baking and food preparation. It's tile counters in the rest of the space. There's a vent above the range there. It's a single bay sink, which is my favorite layout, best for cleaning larger pots and pans. There's a good size dining room area there. And looking out these windows, you just have some of the best views you're ever going to see. Mount Bachelor is perfectly framed through that window. And then as you transition, you start to see the sisters there as well. This is a single-level home, but upstairs the owner developed an enclosed deck space that has a propane fireplace so you can stay warm up there in the winter. The covered back deck. The home is thermostatically controlled via heat pump. This fireplace is propane as well. That's where all the audio controls are, and they can be accessed from behind that wall too. And the staircase is what leads up to that enclosed deck. Closet right here. And another coat closet there. The utility room that leads out to the 956 square foot garage. Washer and dryer spaces there. Lots of storage. The master with large walk-in closet that's really well organized. More closet space here on the left and bypass doors. One of the two vanities. And the other, there's an enclosed toilet space and an awesome tile shower. With two heads and its own light. Space here for a little storage hutch of some sort if you like. And then the master bedroom. It has a queen bed in here now, but easily fits a king size bed. It has a really beautiful view right here from the master bedroom. That's Jefferson, normally totally unobstructed. Today it's capped in some clouds, but you can still see what you're looking at there. Nice little corner here for a TV, a desk, a chair like that. And then that door that leads out to the back deck. And then more beautiful views. You can see right where you're gonna lay your head at night as you wake up in the morning. You've got the three sisters there looking right back at you. This is one of the other two spaces that could be a third bedroom if somebody wanted. It really has this corner laid out in a way that somebody could put a closet back here. You'd still have your fire escapable window that has some of the greatest views you'll ever see. And plenty of space for a bed. It'd be a little bit different in its layout, but still it could be very functional. Right now it's a nice flex space, bonus space. But could be a third bedroom if somebody needed it. And then the guest bedroom has a large couple of windows, blinds throughout. As you can see, space for a desk and some chairs. A good sized bed. Has a walk-in closet of its own. And through that closet you can access all of the controls for the sound system. The guest bathroom. Nice size vanity there. The guest bathroom. Nice size vanity that's tiled. Good storage. Tile floor. It has a tub shower combination that's fully tiled. It is a low step height tub too. So while you can use it for anybody that needs a tub, it's also easy to get in and out. There's space for your towels there. Just an awesome single level layout with some of the best views and privacy you'll find in all of Eagle Crest. Standing inside this upstairs enclosed deck area, there's the bypass sliders. It has its own propane fireplace, lots of seating area, a ceiling fan for when it's a little hot, and that view. On a clear day, you can actually see all the way to Mount Adams. And one of the coolest things about this view is no development is really seen anywhere except for with those transmission lines. And they blend into the background really well. And you have space out there in the open. And then here inside as well. And that door closes and leads back downstairs. Just an awesome design, a really good use of this attic space. It'd make a great office or just a recreation space as it's being used now. And then to get an idea of its access. Now out back on the deck, it's a natural wood. It's totally covered. It has a propane fireplace there. And the slider that goes into the great room area. And the deck then wraps around with access to the master bedroom. And those beautiful mountains. There's Bachelor right through the trees. And then the Three Sisters and Broken Top, looking through those really cool junipers. And then Mount Jefferson right over here. The clouds are kind of enclosing and capping it right now. You can also see Mount Washington straight ahead there. It's getting a little cloud cap too. But just absolutely beautiful views here from all across the deck. And the landscape back here isn't going to change. It's going to stay just as pristine as it looks now. You don't have to maintain any of it, but you have your own little yard space, and then you just have that beautiful desert terrain to look out to.